Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be trying out some YSL blushes. I have this newly released one, the shade 15 Chili Crush. This gorgeous red color. Now if you're new here, hello, welcome, please consider subscribing. I love red blush. When YSL announced their release of this red blush, immediately I had to get it. Like, it was a no-brainer. And I also got this one in the shade 93 Restless Rose, which is like a peachy pink shimmery shade. This one I got from Edgar's on Spring Day. They had a 20% off beauty, so I got that, snagged this one 20% off. And then this Chili Crush, I got it from Selfridges. Starting off with the one I've been most excited for, Chili Crush. Gorgeous red, nice red. Gonna use a nice fluffy, oh you guys look at that. I'm gonna go in with 93 Restless Rose. I'm gonna use the other side of the same brush that I used to apply 93. This one seems to have kickback, so there's lots of glow with this one. I don't know if I'm seeing pigment, because I'm seeing more glow than pigment. I don't know. I'm gonna switch to using a more denser brush and see if that makes a difference. On the brush it looks pink. Looking straight ahead I can see the pink, and then when I turn my head I can see the glow. More like a gold reflex, like gold, and it's not like shimmery or like glittery. It's nice, and it's not like sitting on top of my face. It's blending in. It's really nice. But I'm gonna apply it to the other side so I can look at it a bit more even. I'm not really into pink blush, but this is the kind of pink I can get into because it's not like pink. It's a nice natural flush of pink shade on my cheeks. I can get into it. I really like it. Of course the formula is fantastic. YSL blushes are so good. The formula is just that good. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you own any of these blushes, let me know in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.